Welcome to KetoMealsAndRecipes.com. Today I'll be showing you another recipe we enjoyed while we were sailing along Croatia's Dalmatian coastline. Croatia is an amazing country with an abundance of fresh, wonderful seafood and the abundance of their mostly organic fruits and vegetables. As we traveled along Croatia's coastline, I truly gained an appreciation for the simplicity of the recipes and how few ingredients prepared well can create an amazing meal. We enjoyed these spears at a restaurant called Knobo Ringo on Hvar Island. Today I'll be showing you how to make these extremely easy grilled zucchini spears that only require 4 ingredients. The macronutrient ratio for this recipe is 7.1 to 1 with 2.4 grams of total carbs, 0.8 grams of dietary fiber, resulting in only 1.6 grams of net carbs per serving, which is 2 grilled spears. As I mentioned, there are only 4 ingredients that you will need, so let's get started. First, wash the outside of the zucchini and pat it dry, and trim off the little knobbly end. Each zucchini will be cut into quarters, first cut in half and then each half into half. This is pretty simple. To season the zucchini, I just poured olive oil into a mixing bowl. Then toss and coat the zucchini spears to ensure that every bit is coated with the oil. Sprinkle the pepper and the salt on top and toss again. Do this to ensure that the salt and pepper is well distributed over each of the spears. Next, heat the grill pan over medium heat. And when the pan is hot, using your pastry brush, spread your oil over the entire surface of the grill. This will avoid your zucchini from sticking. Place the seasoned spears perpendicular to the ridges and grill. It will make grilling easier if you place them all with the same side down. Grill each side until that side has a deep golden color. This is the Maillard reaction, and it's the chemical reaction between the amino acids and the natural sugars in the zucchini, which when grilled like this, will create an aromatic compound that gives the grilled food that wonderful taste. Now that your first side has browned, use your tongs to rotate 1/3 and grill this side. When that side is done, rotate it one more time until the third side of your spears are also grilled. When you're grilling, the objective is to have a well-grilled outer surface, but the middle of the zucchini is still to be a bit on the al dente side. I believe I left it for about a couple minutes on each side, but this will depend how thick your zucchini is. When your zucchini spears are done, remove them from the grill pan and place them on a platter until you're ready to serve. I like my grilled zucchini spears freshly grilled and still a bit warm, but if you make extra, the grilled zucchini spears are also really good when they're served cold. Whichever way you prefer to eat your zucchini, either hot or cold, I hope you will enjoy this very simple and flavorful way to make zucchini spears. Here are some main dishes I like to serve these spears with. Obviously, one of my favorite things is to serve it with fish, as we had at Knobo Ringo. Another wonderful main dish that these zucchini spears can be combined with are pork chops with mushroom gravy, which I will be showing you in my next video, or with the calamari stuffed with pancetta and vegetables. So, I hope you give this recipe a try very soon. Thank you for watching this video. I would greatly appreciate it if you would share this link with a friend and help spread the word about this channel. And please turn on your notification bell so that you'll know when I post the next video. The link for this printable recipe will be posted in the description below.